so this is interactive concept number 2 for lava lamp. So I already have my fourth of a water jug, vegetable oil, Alka-Seltzer, and some glitter. Okay. So our first step is to as we see, the water and the oil separate. Two reasons. The difference in the molecules and the way they're packed. So the molecules of water are packed more densely, which therefore push the water to the bottom. The second reason is the polarity difference, where our water is polar and sticks to itself. The oil is non-polar and sticks to itself. So polar and non-polar only dissolve in the solvent that has the same polarity. Therefore, they separate. So adding, I'm going to add just a little extra to my project. Just glitter. So then Alka-Seltzer, so this little solid packed thing here is polar and it will dissolve in water. Basically it's anhydrous citric acid smashed with sodium bicarbonate, and so those two don't react to each other until the water is added. So, as we see, the Alka-Seltzer dissolving. I'm gonna put this up one in there. Because I can. So, as the Alka-Seltzer dissolves in the water, the water is creating bicarbonate from the sodium bicarb, which reacts with the hydrogen from the anhydrous citric acid, forming water and H2O, or I'm sorry, CO2. So the CO2 are the bubbles coming up, creating our lava-like image. So eventually the Alka-Seltzer is going to completely dissolve, which will stop our reaction and re-separate the oil and water. So right now we're creating a combination reaction, and the limiting reactant is the Alka-Seltzer. So the experiment stops because we are completely out of our limiting reactant. So that completes the interactive